Hey, Olivia. Where you going? Say, I don't know. I'm just trying to get somewhere. She started way over there at the giraffe, and now we're way over here. Say hi. Olivia. Yeah, that's you. Yeah. Oh, you gonna go over that way? You're not gonna come this way? Come this way and see Mommy. Yeah, I know. Okay. Olivia. Olivia, there you are. Good girl. Who's a good girl? Yeah. Are you a good girl? Alright. Mommy's gonna come get you.